Alright, hello. In this next video, we're going to be going over the select tool. So you can either click the select tool right here in the middle, or you can just hit escape until you navigate to the select tool. Okay, so what is the select tool? Again, sounds pretty straightforward. If you click and drag, that obviously selects a region. If you click and drag on any track here, it'll select just for the track. You can also keep holding down your click and drag, go down, and that'll select across different tracks. Another useful thing to have on before we really get into the select tool is this button right over here, link track and edit selection. If you hit it, you'll notice that if you hit select and you holding down your mouse click, drag down, you're also selecting the track at the same time. If you have it off, you can still select regions, but the only track that's selected is your first track. Alright, so I'm just going to keep it on. And you'll notice that every track that was in my selection is now selected as well. That is obviously selecting a region. Instead of click and dragging, you can also double click on any clip, and that'll select the entire clip. Now combining with some quick keys, you want to make sure you have this Arizona button toggled on. If you've never opened Pro Tools, it will likely be off like this. Just make sure it's on in order to use your key commands. So what we're going to do is we're going to select a portion of this clip here, and we're going to hit B. You'll notice I have separated this selection from the rest of the clip. Now you can double click here, here, and here. They're all 3 different clips now. Another thing you can do is say this one is the shortest clip and you want all of the clips to be this exact same length. We're just going to hit undo there just to get our clips to the original state again. I'm just going to double click this one. Now hit P. And you notice that selection travels to the next track up. If you want to travel to the next track down with that same selection, just hit colon or semicolon and you'll move down. This is down and this P. Semicolon and P. Alright, so I've moved to audio track 2 with that selection from 3, and I'm going to hit B. And I've separated that clip. I'm going to hit P one more time and B one more time. And I have 3 clips that are the exact same duration and length as audio clip 3. Now let's hit undo just to get back to the original clips again. Like I said, we're going to be creating fades in another tutorial, but say you have fades on a clip. What you can also do here is if you double click just the fade with the select tool, you'll also select the entire fade and not the entire clip. You want to select the entire clip with the fades, just click anywhere where the clip is and double click. And that's how you use the select tool. Alright, I'll see you in the next one where we'll be talking about the trim tool.